Wizards, let's continue to look at mains electricity. The national grid. Many electrical appliances that we use in our homes use main electricity as a source of energy. We get mains electricity from a very big electrical circuit called a national grid. A system of wires and cables take the electricity from a power station to people's homes, schools, and workplaces. Now, parts of a mains electricity system, beginning with power station. Mains electricity comes from a power station, wizards. A power station needs a source of energy. Coal is the source of energy for most of South Africa's power stations. Pylons and transmission lines. Transmission lines are thick metal cables through which electricity goes from a power station to substations. Big towers called pylons support the transmission lines. What are substations? A substation is a place where the strength of the electricity is changed. At the substation, near the power station, the electricity is made stronger so it can travel long distances through transmission lines. At other substations, it is made less strong so that it is safe to use in homes, shops, and other places. Now let's continue to look at the places where the electricity is needed. From the substations, underground cables or overhead wires take the electricity to people's homes, schools, and workplaces. How mains electricity gets to the appliances we use. If a building is connected to mains electricity, it usually has an electricity box. This is where the electrical wires from a substation are connected to the electrical circuits in the building. It also has an electricity meter that records the amount of electricity used. There may also be a trip switch for safety. In the building, the electric wires of the circuits are usually in the walls or ceilings. These wires are connected to lights, switches, and wall sockets. When appliances is turned on, electricity goes from the wire in the wall to the appliances. A power station needs a source of energy. Now, wizards, a power station changes energy into electrical energy. Different types of power stations use different sources of energy. Some power stations use energy stored in fuel, such as coal. Other power stations use energy in falling water or the energy in the wind. Some countries have power stations that use the heat from the sun. Some disadvantages of fuel-burning power station. Burning coal in power stations produces gas and very small particles of ash that go into the air. These causes air pollution and can affect people's health. South Africa has one nuclear power station. This uses nuclear fuel made from uranium. Wizards, when electricity is made at a nuclear power station, no gas or smoke is produced. However, it does produce dangerous nuclear waste. This waste must be protected from people and the environment, sometimes for thousands of years. The process of mining coal and uranium also damages people's health and the environment.